What's going on, everyone? I'm going to go ahead and do some benchmark testing or speed testing on the HTC Evo V 4G on Virgin Mobile. First, I'm just going to go ahead and close out some apps real quick. Advanced Task Killer, kill selected apps. We'll go ahead and run Quadrant, see what kind of score we get with that. Quadrant standard. Run a full benchmark. This might take a little while, but so far I'm really enjoying this phone. I've had it for the better part of the day, playing around with it. I'm really liking it. Network seems to be pretty fast on Virgin Mobile. Oh, it's on the Sprint network, as you can see, Sprint right up here. But yeah, so far I'm really liking it. I find it to be just as fast as the phone I was using before, the HTC Sensation. They both have dual core processors. This one I believe has a newer generation one, but I could be wrong about that. But we'll just run through the test and kind of see how well it does. I'll also put it through LinPack and see how many M flops we get with that. Just takes a little while to run through the test. Right now it's doing the data and the 3D graphics and all that fun stuff. Had a little bit of an issue to set the phone up with Virgin Mobile, so I had to contact customer service several times, but they were pretty helpful. They spoke English and they were able to articulate their words somewhat reasonably. So now we see it's going through the motion test for the graphics and all that. Looks pretty smooth. You can tell it's a little choppy when it turns the corners. I've definitely seen a lot better, but I've seen worse also, so it's going through pretty smooth overall, I think. Getting to the last couple parts of the test, and we'll see what the score is after that. Sorry to make you guys wait through all this, but I just want to run through the whole test. Not going to edit the video out. I'm just going to put the whole video up. Alright, so let's proceed. See what it scored. Saying that the device scored 1909. I've seen it score like 24, probably between 1800 and 2400. You know, it just depends. Depends what's running and vice versa. So, you know, don't have time to run it again, but it's looking like it's about this in the range of the LG Optimus 2X and Samsung Galaxy Nexus, somewhere in that range. You know, it's fast enough. If I run it through a couple times, it might get a little higher, a little lower. You know, but this is the best phone, the best Android phone on Virgin Mobile, so you kind of got to live with it. I'm just going to run LinPack. Actually, you know what? Let me clear out the programs again. Obviously, there's a lot of variables in this. You know, it's not a reliable test, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea of what it's scoring. Run multi-thread. 57 M flops. I've seen it go into the 60s. Try that again. 48. Wow. Try it again. 60.324. So you can see it varies pretty. This time it says inconsistent result. Try that again. You can see it varies pretty greatly on what it scores. This time 58.913. So, you know, you're in about that range. If I go to latest runs, we'll see what some other phones did. Let's see. The HTC Sensation, someone did the 4G with Beats Audio, got an 80. Another HTC Sensation got a 60.225. So, you know, you kind of get an idea of how fast the phone is. I find it to be perfectly fast for just some general usage and vice versa. Let me go to the settings and I'll just show the software on it, show you guys what version it is. This is Android version 4.0.3. See if I can focus in. That's not focusing very well. Android 4.0.3, HTC Sense 3.6. So, you know, there you have it. Just a little bit of some testing and benchmark. Just wanted to run through those tests for anyone that was wondering what the phone scores. Obviously, it's not a scientific test. There's other ways to do it, other programs to use, but these are just kind of the ones that I chose to use. So, anyways, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.